Where am I? Let's go back. So it's saying, given that 9, 15, 21, 27 is an arithmetic progression, find the 12th term. Given that 9, 15, 21, 27 is an arithmetic progression, find the 12th term. So since they have told us that it's an arithmetic progression, right? They have given us that to say it's an arithmetic progression. So we use the general formula for the nth term. So we are going to say nth term is equal to, all right, a plus, open bracket, n minus 1 d. Okay? So what are we finding? The 12th term. So the 12th term, this 12th term makes our n to be 12. So our n, if we correct data, our n will be 12. What is our a? Our a is the first term. So which one is our first term? Our first term, the number of first, 9. All right, our first term is 9, which is a. Then what is our common difference, which is d? Common difference d, you find common difference by saying second term minus first term, or fourth term minus third term. So we can easily say 15 minus 9. So d is equal to 6. Okay, so now let's start replacing. So 12th term is equal to, our first term is 9 plus, open bracket, our n is 12 minus 1, okay, open bracket, our d is 6. You guys were just WhatsApping me, say, add me, add me. The only way I can add you if you make payment. 12 minus 1 is 11, multiplied by 6. So the 12th term is equal to 9 plus 11 times 6 is 66. Then the 12th term is equal to 9 plus 66 is 75. Term, my good friends, what they mean, all right, what they mean is that we use the same formula, but n this time is not given. All right, find the formula for the nth term, but n is not given. So we are going to say nth term is equal to, where there is a, we know a, it's 9, plus, open bracket, then we say n minus 1. Where there is d, we put 6. All right, so we are going to say nth term is equal to, all right, 9, 90 plus 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Nth term is equal to, we group the like terms, to be 9 minus 6 plus 6 minus n. Nth term is equal to 9 minus 6 is what? Is 3 plus 6n. Guys, I'm teaching, my good friends. What they mean, all right, what they mean is that we use the same formula, but n this time is not given. All right, find the formula for the nth term, but n is not given. So we are going to say nth term is equal to, where there is a, we know a, it's 9, plus, open bracket, then we say n minus 1. Where there is d, we put 6. All right, so we are going to say nth term is equal to, all right, 90 plus 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Nth term is equal to, we group the like terms, to be 9 minus 6 plus 6 minus n. Nth term is equal to 9 minus 6 is what? Is 3 plus 6n. Guys, I'm teaching. Given that matrix A is 1, negative 3, 5, 2, 1, 0. Find the transpose of A. Right? Find the transpose of A. All right, guys, I'll confirm. Thank you so much. All right, that's Joy. So Joy, that makes the total number of 18 members now. 18 to go. 18 to go. Good. So they're asking us to find the transpose. my good friends, when they find the transpose, that means you need to change the order of matrix. This is a 2 by 3. 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3. All right? Let me try to explain this. Then we'll get back to the answer. All right? The order of this matrix is a 2, a 1, 2. 2 by 3 matrix. So if we transpose it, it should come into to be 3 by 2. All right. This alone explains how you are going to transpose. So how do we do that? The first row becomes the first column. So we had this. All right. 17 more. 17 more. So we have 1, -3, 5, 2, 1, 0. All right. Then we say, how do we get to transpose this? My good friends, look at this. Look at this. How we can transpose this? Okay, how we can transpose this now? It will be the first row becomes the first column. So 1, -3, 5 in color 1, -3, 5. Then the second row becomes the second column, which is 2, 1, 0. This is how you get to transpose. I've sent. All right, but I think it's there. I saw it. It's there. In fact, it's integral 1. I saw it there. Okay, 2, -1, 3, 4. Is P, then our Q is equal to -2, 3. So, my good friends, we are finding the product of PQ. So, how do we get to find this product? We are going to write our first P, which is 2, -1, 3, and 4. All right, then we have -2 and 3. So we go with corresponding, right? Row by column. So it will be akaka first yak. It multiply with akaka first. So to be 2 times -2. Hey Sammy, 2 times -2 is -4. Then say plus -1 times 3 is -3. We are done with the first row with all the columns. Then we come to down one. We come to down part. So say 4 times 3 times -2 is -6. 4 times 3 is 12. All right. It is 2 times -2 is -4. -1 times 3 is -3. 3 times -2 is -6. All right, 4 times 3 is 12. Then we simplify. So the PQ is equal to -4 plus -3. Positive times -3 is -3. So -4 minus 3 is -7. Then say -6 plus 12, it is +6. -4. Positive times -3 is -3. So -4 minus 3. Remember what I said? If they have the same sign, we take them as if we are adding them, but we get the negative sign. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then we say just a -7. All right, and the number goes to 17. 17 more members, then you'll be part of the family. 17 more members. This is how we get to find this. This is how we get to find this. Probability it is the letter L. So we are picking from this word, all right? HELLLO. So they're asking, what is the probability of picking L? So the probability of picking L is equal to, how many L do we have? We have 2. Out of how many letters? 5. Chibale, just keep that message. That's the only way of to prove that indeed you did. So I'll surely add you up. Now let's find this one. Let's find this one. All right. 125x is equal to 1 over 25. Okay. So if I were you, I'll take advantage of this. So now how do we express these? My good friends, we need to make sure that we have the same base. Okay, we need to make sure that we have the same base. So now how do we do that? E125 can be expressed as 5 to the power 3. multiplied by x is equal to, because 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. Yes. So 5 to the power 3 will give us 125. Now, in inverse, this is an inverse. All right. So this being an inverse, we can first write it like this. All right. To the power negative 1. 1 over 25 can also be written as 25 to the power negative 1. So now we have 5 to the power 3 times x is 3x equals 25 can be written as 5 squared. All right. So now we have 5 to the power 3x equals 5 to the power 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then we cancel this. Then we are going to have 3x is equal to negative 2. Then we divide both sides by 3. And the value of x is negative 2 over 3.